been a long time since I made a video, but today we're camping. I've been camping quite often, not as much as I would like to have been camping, but I've got a lot better. That is an absolute lie. I have not gotten a lot better. I haven't even gotten a little bit better. Everything that you see that I'm unloading right now has been in my truck for probably 2 to 3 months, and well, I'm gonna pay the price for it in today's video. So stay tuned, because later in the video, I run out of lights, and by run out, I don't even get to use them because they're dead. Secondly, my stovetop is useless. And lastly, but definitely not least, my tent is soaked. The last time I went camping, well, it rained and I never aired out my tent. Enjoy. Crap. While the tent dries off, let's get caught up a little bit, okay? I know I haven't uploaded in a very long time, so you're probably wondering what's been going on. First and foremost, the Tundra is still here in all of its glory. 1794, 5.7 liter V8. We ain't getting rid of it. Since the last time I've uploaded, I have made a few changes to it. Nothing too major. I got some light bars up front, and then I've added the ultimate ditch light setup. Your boy took out a deer. Now let me tell you, I love nature. I'm happy with nature. I don't like to harm nature. I wasn't too happy with the whole situation, mostly because, well, when you hit a deer, you have to go through insurance, you have to do all of this stuff. But I was thinking, okay, let's turn a negative into a positive. If I hit this deer, I can go ahead and switch out this bumper. I can take out all of this front and make it into a high clearance bumper, which is something I want to do, just haven't gotten around to it. The front is okay. What happened? It went straight to the door. So it was kind of like it hit the front and then it like swung around and cut the door. As far as camping gear goes though, still the same old. If it works, oh, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's the saying. That is the saying. Still got all of my old stuff, nothing fancy schmancy, just the stuff that works for me. We didn't buy anything to make s'mores. Sandy told me she wanted to, and when we were at Walmart, we both forgot. We got cinnamon rolls, so I think we'll be fine. Whenever you set one of these up for yourself, it's okay, jump right into it. But since I'm setting it up for Sandy, we have to make sure it works.
Yeah, I'll swing it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, try to help us out.
You're doing it real vigorously.
Not the face. Not my money maker, sweetheart. Surprisingly enough, it got dry really fast, so that's a plus. So for some reason, this campsite has a lot of acorns. Yeah, and they're falling from like really high up. All right, 10 bucks. 10 bucks says I can hit it. Best out of 3. This is not good. No shot. This is just a practice one because I said best out of 3. I have 4 in my hand, so this is just a dummy round. I missed it. All right, here goes nothing. Money. feel like I never really show you guys what we do inside of the tent. Lola! What you doing? So way back when I first started uploading camping videos, I was super nervous, shy, embarrassed. I don't know the exact word, but I didn't want to show you guys what was in here because I felt like, well, they're gonna judge me. Well, buddy, you're on YouTube. That's what happens. When you watch other camping videos, they have blankets that are worth more than me. They have lights, they have rooftop tents that are $20,000. And I got a Walmart tent, a Walmart air mattress, 2 pillows, and a blanket. And I'll tell you what, I enjoy it very much. And I think that is more important than having some crazy tent. I think I would enjoy it just as much, so I can't justify the payment. Even though I really wanted it for a very long time, and I'm glad I held off because it wouldn't have worked. It wouldn't have been worth it to me. I gotta go play with Lola because she's being crazy. Lola. Why you running, Morty? Why you running, Morty? Dang, she tore this thing up. Get him, Morty, get him. Get him, Morty. No. Sit. Alrighty. So, how are you? I posted on my YouTube channel, I think on Friday or Saturday, that I was going camping this weekend. If you had any questions, leave them down below. 10,600 subscribers, 2 people commented. I appreciate you two. Now, the first comment comes from an anonymous user, username, and a bunch of different characters. He says, Aing, where have you been, buddy? Also, traded in my Tacoma for a Tundra. Kudos to you, man. I personally am very happy with my Tundra. I'm happy that I traded it for the Tacoma, or you know what I'm trying to say. I forget how big this truck is, and I've already took out some curbs. I definitely would have made that turn in the Tacoma, not so much in the Tundra. But where have I been? Well, I've been on a hiatus. I've still been watching YouTube, and whenever I comment on someone else's channel, somehow, it can be a video on how to clean a fish tank, and one of my subscribers will be in that comment section and be like, Aang, where you at, man? Where you at? When you gonna post again? I'm here. I just been camping it up. No, but actually, I just felt like the content that I was producing was not good. And sometimes when you're so into something, when you're so focused on something, you can't see what you're doing wrong. Maybe I'm wrong in what I assessed, but I just felt like I was pushing too much stuff onto you. For a while, almost every video was some type of gadget, some type of product that I was showing off. The worst part, okay, the worst thing is I don't make money off of the stuff that I show you guys. I have not made a single dollar off of anything I've shown you. I don't think. And if I have, it was not substantial enough for me to remember. Everything that I've shown you guys I actually thought was cool, but it veers off of what this channel is about, what I like to do, and what I want to show you, and what I want to share my time with you doing. So that's why I took some time away from the YouTubes, because I just wanted to not waste your time and not waste my time producing content that I wasn't happy with. Every day I get tons of emails from companies that want to show off some random gadget, and sometimes when I get up in the morning and I see the email and I respond and I'm half awake and I'm super excited, I say yes, and then, I'm a man of my word. What can I say? And I agreed to do something, and then I'm like, oh, this doesn't really fit with my channel, but I'll do it anyways because I said yes. So now, 2 things. I say no, but the only reason I say no is because now I don't check my email until, I've done some stuff. It sounds like I do bad stuff. Like, I take some time before I check my email. That's not the first thing I do now. You get what I'm trying to say. I do want to say this video is sponsored by Blue Eddy. No, I'm kidding. It's not. It was a joke. Probably a bad joke. All right, so I need to buy some firewood because, like I said, it's going to get chilly. So it looks like it might be here. The Camp Host. They usually have wood, and it's usually $5. So I got $10. Let's hope it works. This is Camp Host should be around here. but I didn't see nothing. We have found them. We have found the cane post. Now let's get cracked over the head for some wood.
I didn't come this far out.
Oh, $7 per bundle. For it.
We forgot Lunchables!
I know.
How did we forget Lunchables?
Nor.
Nor!
Nor.
Nor! I say it 3 times.
Nor.
Yes.
I was making some short form content on the downsides of camping at a state park because for some reason state park camping is like totally frowned upon. One of the points that I was making was the people. The people here sometimes suck. And that goes for the staff, but also just the people that come here. I mean, you know, come to the camp, you want to relax, you want to enjoy the peace, the quiet, but the people next to you want to have a party. So, you know, unfortunate, but weird. Like 2 cars now just circling the whole campsite. One person was trying to tell me that the bathhouse, that is also a bathroom, doesn't have bathrooms. And now she's there. I don't know. For my favorite part of camping, we're about to eat. And this, what we're about to eat, should be absolutely banging. So, let us commence. So, we just went through it. This stove right here. We've been using this stove for probably over 2 years now. Since I started camping, I think after my first like 2 or 3 trips, I realized I needed a stove. Cooking over the fire was not for me. Me and Sandy were talking about it, and I think that's why so many times when I would go camping after I would eat, I would puke. TMI? Probably. Nonetheless, the grill. We forgot a piece at home, so we had to go to a Family Dollar. Okay, we had to go to a Family Dollar to get a stovetop. Cooktop? Burner? Thankfully it was close, because Walmart was 40 minutes one way, so it would have been like 2 hours gone. And now we're cooking. We're cooking slower, but we're cooking. Because we tried to cook on the fire. Fire was definitely just for views, because it is not good. Well, that took a turn for the worst. Unfortunately, it got dark really, really fast. So fast, I didn't have time to charge my batteries that I thought were already charged, but how would they be charged if I used them like 3 months ago and then never charged them again? Nonetheless, we didn't do much. It got dark, we ate our food and then hit the hay. I will say the buddy heater came in clutch tonight. I think it dropped down to like 60s, maybe even the 50s, and we were toasty, a little bit too hot even. So shout out to the buddy heater. I will be making a part 2. If you guys don't know, my most viewed video is on the buddy heater, and we'll be making a part 2 this coming winter. Earlier in the video I mentioned how I was making separate content about why you should or why you shouldn't stay at a campground. I could have never in a million years scripted it better why you shouldn't. I'm not sure what time it was. It was early. I was still asleep. Lawnmower going off. In my dream, in my head, we were about to get ran over, and I woke up and it was just some dude mowing right by my tent. I will tell you what, it is not at all a pleasant way to wake up. We have a lot more content in the pipeline. I didn't want to just upload a random 50,000 mile review on my Toyota Tundra after not uploading for like 6 months. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of backstory where I've been at. So with that being said, subscribe, like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. My knees are about to give out.